This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making the organizer, your device, ready. Go to Settings and tap your name, then choose Family Sharing and Set Up Now. Add family members using Apple ID email or send an invitation link. Once accepted, you can choose iCloud Plus to share storage. Pick the plan that fits how many photos and backups you need, 50 GB, 200 GB, or 2 TB, because the chosen plan determines available space for everyone. Make sure everyone stays signed into their Apple ID during this step to avoid sync gaps. Once done, you as organizer go to iCloud settings and open Manage Storage to confirm the shared plan is active. Invitees remain with personal accounts, but their backups and new iCloud data consume the shared pool. This is why monitoring is essential. You can view each member's usage and allocate expectations. There's no per-person quota, so usage is first come. Make sure to explain how photos and device backups use space, because understanding the why prevents accidental fills and unnecessary deletions later on. To finish, confirm every family member enabled iCloud backup in settings right arrow Apple ID, right arrow iCloud, so their devices actually use the shared storage. Once done, check the organizer's Manage Storage screen to see usage reflected. If numbers don't match, ask members to sign out and sign in, then restart devices. This often forces an update. If problems persist, you can remove and re-add a member or contact Apple support. One key troubleshooting tip: always verify Apple ID emails match the accounts used on each device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.